Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to understand how to enter a combo box in Microsoft Excel. Combo box is basically plenty of options present in the same cell. You have seen, look at here. This is also a combo box. All these options available over here, these are combo box. As I will click over here, plenty of other options would be opened. Like I'm going to click over here and you can see several options are present over here. In the same manner, this is also a combo box. By clicking one button, you will get several other options. Look at here, several other options are present. These are combo boxes and how we can make it. On the other side, if I will click, if I will right click over here, look at here. Now, when I will click over here, I will get plenty of options. Whichever option is my need, I will just click. This is also a combo box. How these combo boxes are made and how we can use these combo boxes in different ways, we will try to learn over here. First, I'm going to make several options. Let's say you want to ask few things from your audience, but you want to make answer very short, very straight and close-ended. Like if over here, have you seen the movie? Now its answer would be yes or no, or maybe answer is in between yes and no. So first question we have made, and similarly there are few other questions. Let's say, do you like hearing jokes? Second question, again its answer would be yes, no, or in between yes and no. So guys, we are going to create one more question just for understanding. Taste of this food was good. Now its answer is also close-ended. So these are just examples of few questions which you want to ask from your audience, but you want to have only a close-ended answer. Answer may be yes, maybe no, no explanation, no long stories, no jokes, just straight answer yes or no. Now the next step, you will go to this menu box, that is data. I'm going to click over here, search for data validation. Okay, come over here. This is your data validation. You will click over here. Now again this data will note it down very clearly, from data to data validation. When you will click data validation, again data validation will come and you will click over here. Over here, look at here, this is button allow. You will go over here and will choose list. So here we have chosen the list, and now sources. Let's say you want to have yes, no, or don't. These are three items which you will select. Now look at here, this arrowhead appeared over here. When you will click over here, all three options would come here. Similarly, when you will be clicking view, several options are appearing. So this is also a combo box. In the same manner, when you will click over here, several options are coming at this side. Just copy it, and for all other questions, you will paste it. Okay. So in this way, your buttons or combo box is ready, like here, over here, and over here. So these questions were asked by you to your audience. Have you seen the movie? Someone wants to say no and someone wants to say yes. They will go over no. No will be chosen. Next question is, do you like hearing jokes? Somebody wants to say yes and somebody, okay, maybe don't know. And then taste of this food was good. Let's say the answer is yes. So have you seen that how easy it had become to create a combo box instead of making your audience to write their answers? Different answers would be appeared. That would not be a valid data. In this way, you will collect data according to your choice. So this was a simple way to create a combo box. Within few minutes, you can create it, and it would be having a far more better impression than manual working. So this was all about combo box. If you have understood, just share or like or comment, and please practice to create a combo box by yourself. If you feel anything difficult, you are very open to share your problem through messages, text, or you can directly contact to share your problem. I will humbly be trying my best to answer quickly. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.